We be rising every day. Check this out, you guys. I'm in the jungle. Best place to be in nature. Best place to heal your body. Get fresh air, sunlight, oxygen, and we need oxygen for all of our cells to be healthy and to create an alkaline environment. Dr. Otto Warburg found that cancer cells cannot survive in an oxygenated, alkaline environment. So that is why it's so important to breathe deeply and get out and get some oxygen in your body for all your cells to be healthy and thrive. So when we're looking at disease, we need to focus on our whole diet and lifestyle. Everything that we're doing in our life can either create an acid environment, an acidic environment, and a stressful environment. So it's important to create a healthy environment inside and outside. You want to be in a healthy environment outside to create a healthy environment inside, but it's also what you're eating every day, what you're consuming through your mind, through your nose, through your mouth, what you're eating, what you're breathing, what you're touching. We also need to surround ourselves with love, loving people, support. We need to surround ourselves with love and support. That's the highest vibration, is love. Pushes out fear and creates health in the body when we are on that love frequency. Nikola Tesla said, if you want to understand the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Everything has a vibration, energy, and a frequency. And you can see that with quantum physics. So it's important to analyze what you're tuning into every day, what you're focusing on, what you're listening to, what you're eating and breathing, and the environment that you're in. When we put ourselves in a healthy environment, like this one, pushes out fear, pushes out anxiety, puts you in the right mood, and also helps to release endorphins, that feel-good hormone, which we really need right now. So if you're having a low day, get outside, get some exercise, breathe in fresh oxygen. Get in that nature. When you do that, we'll all be rising.